So now we're going to go on to the winter solstice. And by the way, I noticed my protractor was a little bit small. So what I did is I reprinted it with a small little protractor. So it'll be easier for us to see. And as you can see for the summer solstice, it is, hold on, let me clear it up. There you go. Like I said, it's 105 from this direction, or it's 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 75 from that direction. Now what we're going to do is move this to the winter solstice. So the winter solstice is on the other end of the calendar, so we're going to move that here. So now you can definitely see the difference. Look at the angle of the sun in the sky to see how low it is in the sky. And I've got to move it up to 40 again. It got, that is, again, a very big influence on the weather. And also watch what happens when it hits the horizon. Notice how long it spends underneath it. It spends a little bit of time above. Let's look at it from this way. You can see it. It spends a little bit above the horizon, most of the time below the horizon, so that days are shorter than the nights. Now if we go to the summer solstice, we can see that it spends more time above than below. And then we're going to find out in the equinoxes it'll spend about equal times. It's kind of hard to exactly predict that, but you can see it approximately. Now what we're going to do is put a little protractor. Oh, wait a minute, we want to do winter solstice. We just finished summer. Let's look at that smaller angle in the sky. At noontime, you can see that it's quite low. My protractor is backwards, but it's 10, 20, about between 20 and 25 degrees above the horizon. And where does it set? Well, now it sets on the other side of east. So east would be 90 degrees. So it's 90, 100, 110, about 127 or so. And where it sets, it's going to be 90 and minus 90. So on this side of north, we're going to put the minus sign on. It's 90, 100, 110, again, minus 115. All right, so that's for the summer solstice. And the big difference is obviously the height of the sun, but also the length of the day. It doesn't spend that much time above the horizon.